A different kind of protest in Toronto as graffiti artists take to laneways in support of the Black Lives Matter movement. Dozens of black and grayscale murals now decorate Graffiti Alley after a group of artists came together to raise awareness about anti-black racism. The pieces honor black people who have died at the hands of police and call for action against police violence and other injustices facing the black community.
In terms of being a tool for protest, art lasts. It stays in spaces, and so when people walk through, they appreciate seeing the visual art that's created, but they also get a chance to learn more about the circumstances that it was created under, what exactly is happening.
The project was organized by local graffiti artists who say they wanted to use their skills for a larger cause. They call the initiative Paint the City Black.
I wanted to reach out to a bunch of people and see if they were on board to share space and throw down something that is similar to Blackout Tuesday, where you have a black square, except you're spending money, you're spending time, and you're spending spots in the alley to voice this awareness.
The murals have resonated with residents. Many have come to take pictures and simply observe in the past few days.
Being black and dealing with stuff that we dealt with, this is huge for artists to actually be able to express themselves in an artistic way. And I just want to capture it because this is basically my culture.
It's beautiful to see this movement come to life within such an iconic space in Toronto. I'm always really moved by artwork, and to actually see something from the movement in front of me has been really moving.
For the artists, the message is clear. They want people to walk away feeling empowered to speak up and ready to make a difference.
It's about a whole community coming together and acknowledging that this is an issue with the black community, the injustice against the black community, and we're talking about it. We're not going to ignore this.
Organizers are hoping Paint the City Black won't just be a one-off event. They want to expand the initiative to other parts of the city and inspire others to create art that forwards the Black Lives Matter movement, especially as anti-racism protests continue across the country. Lucy Lau, Humber News.